There you go.
Oh, that's a big one.
Parker, come on. Oh, right on his.
Right on the snout.
Right on the snout.
Here.
Yeah, hey?
That's a walleye.
No.
Pike?
Pike,
That's a
yeah? You
pike.
want to touch him? You can touch him, he's just slimy. He's the one got teeth, he doesn't have any spines. Cool, eh?